Play-doh, Mom.
You got Play-doh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I caved. And I got her this. I wasn't gonna get her a bunch of plastic. I don't like adding more plastic. Anyways, I bought this mostly because of that thing. Because I want her to make cupcakes.
Mom, open it.
Open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we did it! Here. What's this one?
A cow. A seashell. An elephant. A seashell.
A sea star.
A bear.
Teddy bear.
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
A hawk.
And you don't know what this one is? We gave those out for Valentine's Day.
A pretzel.
A pretzel! Good job! Set up the cupcake molding tray. Utensils. Plates. Hold on, Aveline. And there's all the molds. 8 tubs of Play-doh. Wow. You are seriously spoiled. Oh, and I like this thing. Inspiration cards.
Mom, open this, Mom.
Inspiration cards, Aveline.
Mom, open this.
Open that? Okay. Let's go make a cupcake.
Look at my cupcake.
Yeah, look at it. Doesn't it look exactly the same? Yeah. You want to try some? You got to serve it, Aveline. You're supposed to cut it. Okay, serve it on the plate. There you go. No, this. Oh, thank you for the cupcake. Here, try some. Taco sandwich. She's like, I want to try that.
Cut it.
Cut it. Oh man, I was trying so hard not to mix the Play-Dohs, but I don't know what I'm thinking. It's not gonna happen. What are you making?
Some blue and yellow frosting. And purple frosting.
And purple frosting. So Aveline hasn't touched any of these molds. The only thing she's touched is the scissors and the Play-Doh. That's all she wants to do. Why did I get all this stuff? You want to try some? She's like, must cut. Is that like so satisfying? Oh, thank you.
It is big. I need to cut it.
Go ahead, Aveline. We did it!
Here's a cupcake. I need to cut it.
Okay. What are you doing? Okay.
I'm dancing.
You're dancing?